I feel like the sun right here is really not doing it for me. It is what it is. I finally came to BBB fashion, and I'm gonna look around. I was actually gonna check to see what time they close, because last night I was supposed to come and they were like closing at like 7:45, I think, and it's, let's see, it's currently 6:35. Wednesday. Today's hump day. Oh my gosh, I forgot it's hump day and Wednesday because I didn't work today, obviously. Yeah, they're open till 7:45 p.m. so I have an hour and 10 minutes to shop my little heart out. I don't know what I'm looking for. Whatever catches my eye. I don't really know the vibe. I just want to make sure I have enough outfits for every day. You feel me? So yeah, I did not work today because I had no appointments. So Olga, she does hair and nails, and she had 2 hair appointments today, so she had to be there regardless because I don't do hair. And then she got booked in with a couple more one more hair appointment and a pedicure, so good for her. She made all the money today, or else I would literally have just been going in for 1 pedicure. Okay, the sun is finally setting. It's going down behind the building. Oh my gosh, you guys, and I really did nothing except for lay out clothes that I'm gonna pack and edit all the freaking videos. I finally caught up. The last 2 videos are finally like downloading or uploading to YouTube right now as we speak. I just have to publish on them. I did leave it to me. I accidentally mixed up the dates in a couple of the videos, but it is what it is. The titles are fixed and the YouTube title, but the actual video, I have no way of fixing that, just because one, it takes so much time to upload 1 video, and I'm not starting now. It is what it is. The wrong date will forever be there. It is what it is. That'll just be a remembrance of why we do not fall behind with editing, which I'm praying that I'll have a little bit more time on this trip to edit. I've talked and yapped for way too long. I need to get in there and go shop till I drop. I need to make a really quick round. But okay guys, I will see you soon. Next stop, I don't know, you'll see. Howdy y'all. We're here at the gas station gassing up so we don't have to do it at whatever time we leave. Ryan's doing this dealio where he puts some fuel cleaner in there and shit, you know, fancy car shit. It is literally storming right now. Well, not storming, but you know, lightning storm. There's a lightning storm. Let me try and catch something. It's been going off and off and off and off. And then watch, the second I'm gonna record, it's not gonna, no lightning. We'll see. We'll wait till something happens. I don't know where something is gonna happen. There we go. We saw a big lightning when we were leaving. We went to Walmart to go get more things for our trip. Our, you know, our road trip. So we got snacks, we got waters, we got a cooler, as you can see, and Ryan's gonna go home, clean up the car. It's gonna storm, so now I'm like, well, we definitely need to wait out the storm and not be driving in the storm, you feel me? So yeah, I have not vlogged much today. I went to BBB Fashion finally, and then I was supposed to go to Walmart after, but then Ryan called me and I was like, let's just go together later. So then we went home, watched Big Brother, and now we're here fueling up the tank, and we are going to be leaving bright and early, either at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., I don't know, but sometime early in the morning. So I don't even think I'm gonna sleep. I still want to do self-tanner too, so stay tuned for what's next to come in this little get ready for me with my get ready with me for my trip. I still gotta pack, and he does too.
I haven't packed anything yet
at all. We're procrastinators, like always, but it's fine. It's storming, so we have to wait out the storm regardless.
We'll be there in 15 hours either way, packed or not.
15 hours. Anyways, we'll get there when we get there, but we're stopping along the way, so. All right, gonna stop talking now. See you soon. Oh my goodness, y'all. So, I have got everything packed. Got things packed away. It is, I don't even know what time it is, 12:10 a.m. So, I'm going to end this one here. I did not vlog very much today, but I'm kind of happy because that just means it's going to be a shorter vlog. But I think I'm going to go get the cooler ready and maybe get a couple hours of sleep, just because I think we're going to leave around 4 a.m. I don't know. I'm not too sure, but I did want to self-tan. I might still do that, actually. I might even stay up all night and then just sleep a couple hours in the car. I don't know. But I just got back on track with the vlogs, and it's kind of funny because I have a feeling that I'm going to get back off track with the vlogs because of this trip. But it's okay, because at least I caught up. So now, if I get behind, I won't be as far behind. But, okay guys, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join along, because this weekend is going to be a fun, crazy, wild weekend full of festivities and adventures. Going on a road trip. So guess where I'm going? Leave it down in the comments. Okay guys, I'm gonna get a little bit of sleep after I self-tan. So have a good night, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.